Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki Boulevard C90LT. This is the luxury touring edition of the 1500cc V-twin big bore cruiser, fuel injection, liquid cooled shaft drive, beautiful titanium and black two-tone paint scheme. She's got the engine guards, floorboards, a full-size touring windscreen, and those beautiful locking hard case leather saddlebags. Only 2,000 miles on this gorgeous C90LT. Come on by, make your big bore touring cruiser dreams come true for just $84.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.